Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to change the normal text like we have here into the coding style. So let's say I have a coding that I want to copy this code into the Word file. So Control A, Control C, then let's say I have a code paste in this program, Microsoft Word. We select all the codes that inside this file, and I have one plugin that is the name of Easy Code Formatter. Click on Format Text as Code and it will automatically change the normal text into the coding style. The first step that you need to do is to download the Microsoft plugin Easy Code Formatter, which is we can find it from the Insert tab menu, Get Add-ins, and search for the plugin name Easy Code Formatter. So once the searching have been done, so you click on this part, Easy for Code Formatter, add into your Microsoft Word plugin. So later it will show you a new menu which is an Easy Code Formatter. Let's say I have a very simple code that I copy from the code editor, and I want to highlight this part only as the coding style. Click on the Easy Code Formatter, click on Format Text as Code, and this part will be changed into the normal text into the coding style. So you can highlight any part in the coding that you want to change the style. For example, like starting from here until from this one, click on the Format Text as Code and it will change automatically to the coding style. So we can use this one as to organize our report properly.